Come on. This one. Good job. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to do our first lesson for CVC words. So if you're here, I'm expecting that your child is very strong with their phonics and they are reading their two-letter blends independently. So then you will begin the CVC blending with them. CVC are three-letter words, consonant, vowel, consonant. So we will be doing each vowel, like first we'll do a, then e, o, so that is how you do CVC. Once they're fluent with it, then they move to the next step. So let's practice the two-letter blends. Today we are doing the short vowel a for CVC words. So let's start. B, a, ba, k, a, ka, d, a, da, f, a, fa, g, a, ga, h, a, ha, j, a, ja, k, a, ka, a, la, a, ma, a, na, p, a, pa, a, ra, s, a, sa, t, a, ta, v, a, va, w, a, wa, y, a, ya, z, a, za. Good job. So now you're reading your two-letter blends with the short vowel a perfectly. So you have to practice this every day before you start reading your CVC words. So let's start the CVC words now. With the CVC, you will also be starting the sight word learning. We will only introduce one sight word right now. First, you will help them blend the CVC words. Then these are phrases using the sight word that we are learning. So that will not only help them learn the sight word, like sight words are sight words, learn them by sight. So you have to keep bringing them in this sight again and again to help them learn them. But they will also get the idea that these sight words are used in reading. So that will just motivate them, that will just push them more to learn the sight words. So these are phrases and then these are sentences. When we are doing sentences, they are still little, but still you have to tell them that these are sentences. Once you learn these words, the sight words, they will be able to read small sentences. So to start, you will just be reading the CVC words. You won't read the whole sheet at once. Okay, so for a week, maybe for 2 days, for 3 days, maybe you will just have them read the CVC words until and then you will move to the phrases once they are reading this independently, and then maybe they can do this together. So I also have these sight words that you can just keep, you can make these yourselves and just keep them in the sight. Like today we are doing the CVC words, and this is the word the. This is also pronounced as the, and this is also pronounced as the. So it's up to you what you choose to teach your child. The, I teach the, so this is the. So before every class, you will just go through it once with your child. So let's start reading these CVC words. You have to repeat after me. First, you will read it for your child and then you will ask them to read. So let's begin our practice for CVC words with short vowel a. Okay, you have to repeat after me. K, a, cat, cat, k, a, cap, cap, t, a, tax, tax, y, a, yeah, yam, g, a, gas, gas. B a bag, bag. B a bad, bad. S a sad, sad. D a dab, dab. R a rag, rag. A pan, pan. T a tap, tap. H a hat, hat. K a cab, cab. L a leg, leg. M a mad, mad. R a ram, ram. V a van. So maybe your child will be done when they are done with the first block. So if they are done, just give them rest. If they want to keep on going, you will do the next block. So that's totally on your child. Don't force them right now. Okay. Let's read the second block. Z a zap, zap. P a pad, pad. J a jab, jab. D a dab, dam. T a tag, tag. M a map, map. D a dad, dad. G a gap, gap. K a cat, can. F a fax, fax. R a rat, rat. L a lab, lab. N a nap, nap. M a mat, mat. W a wag, wag. L a lad, lad. M a man, man. P a pat, pat. Good job. So now you can read all the CVC words with the short vowel a. And if you have learnt your sight word, that is the, you are also ready to read some big phrases. So let's start reading them. The, see? The, j, a, jam, jam. The, r, a, rat, rat. The, a, map, map. The, p, a, pad, pad. The jam, the rat, the map, the pad. The bad, b, a, bad, bad. K, a, cat, cat. The bad cat. The sad, s, a, sad, sad lad. The a mad, mad ram. The mad ram. The a tan, tan. B a bag. The bad cat, the sad lad, the mad ram, the tan bag. Wow! You are reading some big phrases. Good job. Maybe now we can even read some more big sentences so that you can start reading books also. Let's see if you can read them. So encourage your child to read them independently. I hope they will be able to do these independently. If not, you can just read for them once. Also remember that now you are not expecting them to just read the words like this: pat, cat. You have to encourage them to segment them, because that will be helpful for spellings later, and they will have the habit of decoding the words. Okay, so let's read. At, pat, the, a cat, cat, pat the cat, sam, sam, a can, can, a nap, nap, Sam can nap, a tap, tap, the a pan, pan, tap the pan, the a fat, fat, a lad, lad, the fat lad. Pat the cat, Sam can nap. Tap the pen, the fat lad. Good job. So you can also use this sheet to work with the spellings later when they are ready. Right now, you're just doing the CVC words, but once they are fluent with them, you will also start working on spellings. So this will come in handy. Just make it yourself and keep it for practice. I hope this video was helpful, and inshallah I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and leave your comments. Inshallah, until next time, Allah Hafiz. Now Birdie will read the sheet for us. She is 5 years old and she is already a fluent reader. She is just here to motivate your littles. Okay, come on, let's read.
Cat, tap, tax, yam, gas, bag, bed, sad, dab, rag, pan, tap, hat, gab, lag, mad, yam, van, zap, pad, jab, dam, tag, map, dad, gap, can, fax, rat, lap, nap, mat, wag, lab,
La.
lad, man, pat,
Good job.
the jump, the rat, the map, the pad, the bad, cat,
Read this.
pat, the cat, Sam can nap, tap, the pan, the fat lad.
Great job. So you're also using these sheets for fluency later, even at 5 years old. Okay, now let's say bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.